Arts work fly.
This kind of clay is a factory made clay. This one here is natural. They call this wild clay.
What you mixing to get the green? Blue and yellow. And what you mixing to get the orange? What you mixing to get? Yes, red and yellow. Alright. What you want to learn about? I told you you're painting in your what? Negative space.
Alright, so this is a demonstration of how to make the ceramic pots.
Hold on, man. Wait. Lovely. So the first thing that he has to do, and he's going to do that by
Adding balanced force. Left and right. So when both hands come together, the clay has nowhere to go but onto the extent. So the center. This, and you can research this. I'm going to give you a big word to research. Centrifugal force.
Yes, man. Science. Steaming.
Centrifugal force.
Over here on the potter's wheel. Steaming on the potter's wheel.
Check what that means. It's actually force that keeps this clay in the middle. Yes.
Find the center.
Thank you. So what I'm doing now, I'm actually getting this clay here to be opened up and become a vessel. So after I've centered it, I'm doing a pulling and pushing motion. So squeezing the clay, bringing it into itself. Like kneaded, but in a circle. See? So it's this way. No. Oh, electricity just go away. Oh, somebody stop on the plug. You plug it out.
Dear, you had a problem with the brick.
No, when you go further,
Hold on.
remember I told you, further to the top is going to be live. Oh, your time is almost up and everybody gets to paint in there.
Here you go. Can you put it over there?
Where? And
Put it down, but we have mashed it up back and put it back in the bucket.
I'm giving you another 5 minutes to finish putting
Yes.
So I slap the plate directly on the wheel so that the clay can actually stick. It's like a vacuum, it sucks onto the wheel. It's not going anywhere. And I have to wet my hands. All the time I have to wet my hands.
We got electricity. Painting and sipping away. Going on. It doesn't. It's coming. I sent it.
Alright, with one set will soon be up. So just try and get in your positive shape.
So what I'm doing
what
now,
is happening to my little friend?
after centering, I'm opening it, yes.
So when you start paint, you don't want nobody to.
And then I'm going to bring it down. I can't press my finger right down because I'll create a hole in the cup. So I have to go down as far as I have to feel the measurement because you cannot see it. It's very hard to really measure how thick the bottom of the cup is. You can't see it. Yeah. Alright. So what I'm doing, I'm pressing out all the air bubbles because clay sometimes have air bubbles in it and the air bubbles can cause the cup to crack when it is dry. Right. So this is the next move. I cuddle it. Yeah? And then I press the lid. See that air bubbles? You saw that thing? I just squeezed out air bubbles a while.
you know, it's better than Jamaica.
No, I really think I could be lost in this. Yeah.
I would say this is the best hypnosis.
Yes.
Best hypnosis. Some potters, I think they go under a bit of hypnosis themselves. Literally, I see some of them heads going around in circles. So this might look like a very deep bowl, but it is not. It's actually a cup. I'll show you how it's done. So I'm actually cleaning out the inside of it, and then I'll clean out the outside. And this is how it becomes a cup.
We see.
And then I do this. And that's how you hold the cup.
Everybody's finished.
They put a spout and what it becomes.
What becomes when you put a
The
fork on?
rest of your
You
dry.
don't buy no case.
No, I got one earlier. You buy one earlier. Yeah.
No, it becomes a water pitcher. Or a cup that you put milk in. When you're making coffee, you put the milk in.
Oh, that means that they capture.
Yeah.
Well, I can just see how it Put your hands in there wet. Not your fingers. Alright. Spin the wheel. Spin the wheel. Spin the wheel. It's a bit too fast for your first time. Alright. Then you're going to go to slowly. Here's what you're going to do. Here, hold on. Stop the wheel. Release your hand. This hand and this hand, both of them are going to work together, which means that you're going to add equal pressure on both hands. This hand must not go harder than this hand. So now you're going to add pressure. Excuse me a bit. I'll come around. So here's the part of your hand you're going to use. This part right here and this part. So this part of the hand is going under the plate. This part of the hand is going on top of the plate. Right? So go ahead. Spin the wheel faster. You feel it? It's not moving, right? Alright, release your hand now. Now it's steady. That's the first stage. You want to have the clay steady and balanced on the wheel. Now you're going to get your thumb and put on the top here. Do the same thing, but this time put your thumb on the top. Both hands all the time. Remember, you are in charge. You are in charge. Yes, the clay must not wobble any at all. You are in charge. Remember, keep your hands firm. Alright, take your time and go down in it slowly. Straight down. You're going straight down. Too fast. Go down with your hands. Don't spin the wheel fast. The water is wobbling. You're in control. Don't move your hands. Keep your hands steady. Go down. Don't spread out the clay. Go straight down. Push your thumb straight down. Like you play with your games. You don't see all the play with your games. The thumb is going straight down. Straight down. Alright? This hand good.
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.